Hello everyone, welcome to my art channel where we do painting videos. Well, today we'll actually be drawing with soft pastels, and I'm using a canvas that has not been primed nor gessoed, so it has a very nice textured surface which is ideal for pastels. Otherwise, feel free to use paper that's meant for this art medium. I start by coloring the bottom with some orange, then I do another inch or so with some dark yellow. I don't know the specific names of the colors because they are not written in this set, so I'm just gonna go with whatever it looks like to me. I do a very light bit of this peachy slash a skin tone on top of the yellow. I'm going to use that as a mid-tone to layer my pinks. I get my baby pink color and I apply that all over the midsection, and for the top I use a darker variety of pink like fuchsia, and then I just top it off with some violet. I'm barely using any pressure here. These are soft pastels, and like the name says, they are soft, so they crumble a lot when you use them, and they're just pure pigment. It's very nice to work with them. They give you some very saturated results. I start blending with my finger, and I'm using my ring finger because that's the only clean one I have right now. I start from the orange towards the yellow, going horizontally. Make sure the pigment goes all into the little blank pieces of the canvas you can see, so it gives me a smooth gradient. Then I get another finger to blend the pink so the yellow and the pink don't mix into orange again. I want my colors to be separated but yet gradual. So I blend the pink, then the darker pink and the purple, and I tilt on the excess dust to the side, not to the top, not to the bottom, because that way if I tilt it towards me, I'm gonna get violet over my yellow and my orange, and if I do the other way, I'm gonna get orange over the violet, and it's not gonna look nice. So just go to the side. Then I take my black and I draw some ground on the bottom. And I thought I'd add some cacti over the sunset area, so I just do a straight line and then some cactus arms coming out of it. I also add a couple of tinier ones on the bottom on either side, and then just color them in with black. If you're getting any value of this video so far, please let me know by liking, commenting, and if you have not already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm currently trying to reach 20,000 subscribers, and it would really mean a lot to me. And by the way, all of the supplies used will be linked down in the description box along with the reference picture I'm looking at to do this drawing. Back to us, I just blend the ground with any finger. It doesn't really matter because you can't really contaminate black. It's the darkest color there is. I smooth down the ground and then I take my pinky for the cactuses because my pinky is my tiniest finger, so it fits perfectly. Then I'm going to tilt it towards me so I don't get the black dust over the nice sunsetty colors. Lastly, I take white and I scratch at it with my nail to get some flakes of white color, which are going to be stars. So just add as many or as few as you like. And I'm going to set them into the canvas by using a clear plastic sleeve. I just place it on top and then press on top of the stars with my palm with not a crazy amount of strength, just press them so they stay nicely into the canvas texture. And alternatively, feel free to use some actual fixative, but it was rainy outside and you need to use the fixative outside because it has quite a smell to it. And that's it. I'd like to give a very special thank you to my Patreons for the month of December. If you'd like to further support me and the channel, you can find me at Sunshine Arts, and the full-time video tutorial is going to be uploaded there. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye bye!